Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can open up in floating window on this device. First of all, you need to click on the square button over here, then tap at the top left corner on floating windows option, thermos click, and tap on one of your apps, for example photos. As you can see, now I can use it in my floating window. If you want to go back from this mode, all you need to do is hold this line over here and drag it to the bottom. Then click home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!